This is a Master Lock number 10, and I saw a video on this about a week ago of a fellow picking it, and I just had to have it. It's just a unique looking lock, I think, and very unusual. To give you an idea of size, this is a Master Lock number 3, right there. And here's the keyway. And the logo there. Here are the keys. It is a 4-pin lock, but it's a very difficult 4-pin lock. It has, I think, a different core than the Master Lock 1 through 8, whatever. I'll show you that in a little bit. And it does not have ball bearings in it. And it can't be gutted. But it snaps closed, snaps open very smoothly. And first thing I'm going to do is put it in the vise and try and pick this thing. Okay, let's get her in. Let's unlock it first. Zoom in. And I'm using a Dangerfield number 3 pry bar. And this wonderful Roblon pick. I put moderate tension on the core. And it's got tight keyway. Four pins. Oh my gosh. I couldn't even begin telling you what I was doing there. But it just popped open. Just as simple as a regular number 3. But I can tell you in practices when I was doing this, it took me a long time to get into it, and I couldn't get the pins to set. But that's the luck of the draw, I guess. So I can't complain with that. It opened. So let's see what we can do here. Let me close this up. There we go. Now, I played with other tools trying to open this thing up and tried to use the Leishi, and it fits in, but it doesn't fit flush against the lock. Let me get up my pointer here. If I can zoom in any further, get a better angle. There we go. There's a gap right there. See that gap? It's supposed to be flush with the cylinder. Like this is flush to the face of this plate. So it doesn't go all the way in, so the pins aren't centered underneath the tool here. So let's get over here. So if I'm under the pen, trying to pick it, it's springy and you won't get any clicks or any set because it's not flush up against there. And if you look at, here's the master number 3. The plate is different. You see it's got this round protrusion here, and the face of the lock or the cylinder here is flat. Whereas in the number 10, it's concaved a little bit. And the groove in here, this groove here, fits flush with the face here. This top groove fits flush inside the circle here. I'll try and demonstrate that. See if you can see that. Get the flashlight out again. You can see that it's flush at the top and flush here at the bottom. So you can use the leashy and pick it. But for the number 10, it just doesn't work that way. So I can't use the leashy to open this up with. So I tried another way. I tried good old raking. And let's see. Get in there again. Probably won't open, but we'll give it a chance. Up and down, back and forward, scrubbing, figure 8. And there we have it. Got it open by raking. And one more method. We're going to try the clone. See if we can pop this. That's kind of awkward, but do it this way. It's only a 4-pin lock, so you don't have to go in very far. Let's see here. Boom. Still think this is a great tool. Okay, so there we have it. The Master Lock number 10. It's a unique lock. I can lock it. There we go. But I don't know how secure it is. Looks intimidating, but maybe it's just a pussycat. So thank you for watching and hope you enjoyed this.